Hello everyone, it's you from Nanna.
Today I make the best soup ever. Pasta fagioli. It's very nice. You want some?
First I make a sofrito. Put celery, carrot, garlic, and onion.
Now I try for the onion.
Put in the pot with olive and cook in low heat. When it is cooked, I cut the more vegetables for the soup. Celery, carrot, and potatoes. I put the rest of the vegetable. I put 1 liter of the vegetable stock and some water. I can put in the bean. I cook in my bean. This have more taste. Put some pepper. No, the dog pepper. They're really pepper. Nice pepper. This is you. Now I put some salt. I put 1 cube for more taste. Put some tomato sauce. You can put passata or tomato, anything you like. Cook it for 45 minutes. And now I put the pasta. Any pasta you like, short one. In 10 minutes, pasta fagioli is ready. Enough. Everybody mangia. Pepe, you want the pasta fagioli?